What's up, y'all, and Happy New Year. Happy 2019. So, with that being said, 2018, it was pretty rough. But I have I just have things planned for this year, like I'm sure the rest of you do. And let's just stay positive. Let's work hard and just pray that things work in our favor this year. Um, so yeah, this video is about me taking my locks down, which I'm sad because I really loved having these locks, y'all. I've had them for a pretty long time. So I put these in my hair the first week of November, and I've had them since it is now the first week of January. So I've had them for about 8 weeks. They are super convenient, super lightweight. When I get braids, it's like they like pull me back, like they're so heavy, but these are super light. To keep them up is not hard at all because actually they looked really nice when I first put them in, but the older it got, it became more frizzy and they actually looked like real dreads, which I like. But even like with the convenience of having to go somewhere, like I have to wake up early in the morning, so I would just get up and go. And even when I go out, I don't wear makeup, as you all know, and I don't know how to put it on either. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check that out. But yeah, so I don't have to put on makeup. So only thing that I would have to do is style my hair. If I didn't style it like that, y'all, but style my hair, put on my clothes, and be on my way. So now that, I've always wanted to know how I look with dreads. So I will definitely be doing these again very soon. Y'all will be seeing them again. But yeah, for like the care, the maintenance, I would just, so you know how when you wear extensions, your scalp gets itchy, right? So what I would do to help with that, I use the Cantu Shea Butter Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse with tea tree oil. And I would put that in a spray bottle and spray that throughout my scalp every few days. I would also use some almond oil and I would put that in a bottle and spray that throughout my hair every couple of days to keep my hair nice and moisturized while in a protective style. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these down, take the hair jewelry out, deep condition my hair, comb through it, and all that good stuff. So if you would like to see that process, then please keep watching. I've taken down pretty much all of my locks except for these two because I'm gonna show you all how I took them down. It took me about an hour and a half, which I don't think is long. Man, when I took my braids down, it took me like 4 hours to take those braids down. So that was really quick in my opinion. So we will start off. I mean, there's a bunch of different ways. I'm not using these locks again, so I just cut them. So I just untwisted like this, and then I just take the lock, take my little scissors, y'all, making sure I cut the hair, the lock, and not my hair. So I just like try to like find the, ooh, y'all see, I need to wash my hair. So I just try to find like the loophole and then just pull it, and that's it. Oh, I'm all greasy. Time to deep condition. So I've never used this before, so this is something new for me. I was being cheap. I went to Sally's and I was trying to find something that's good, but also wasn't going to break my pockets that day. I have to start making my own products. I'm tired of spending my money. So I saw this, and then the person who worked there also said that it's pretty popular. I don't know. Tell me if you use this or not. So to deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Y'all, my hands are so greasy. So I'm going to be using this. So I am first going to take the bottom part down of the back. And y'all, I haven't done my hair in so long. I don't feel like doing it either. I'm ready to put those locks back in now, or some braids or something. So just going to and then I'm going to take, I'm very heavy-handed, so I'm just going to use a lot. I mean, my hair has been tied up, put up for a long time, so it needs, smells good. I'm not done. Some got on the chair. It's okay. Ooh, Piggy. Did y'all hear that burp from Tootsie? Tootsie's my dog, just in case you're wondering. And it's just gliding through for the most part. Still some shedding happening. But so I'm just gonna do that throughout. Y'all, I just got like some conditioner in my eyes. Okay, but this is my hair with the deep conditioner. So I am going to put on my plastic cap and I'm going to sit under the dryer for about a good 30 minutes. Let my hair get all good and deep conditioned and everything because it's in need of that. And I am going to then wash and condition my hair with a cleansing shampoo since my hair hasn't been washed in a while. So I'm going to use the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Shampoo and Conditioner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what style I'm going to do yet. I might do a twist out, my good old trusty twist out. Or I might switch it up a little bit and do like a perm rod or a flexi rod set. We'll see. So after I ended by, having the deep conditioner in my hair, I went and I rinsed the deep conditioner out and I shampooed and conditioned my hair and I began to comb through it with the conditioner in my hair. You know when you're washing your hair and you lightly comb through your hair with the conditioner in it. I noticed it was very knotty, like tangled, right? So I was like, okay, so I rinsed it out my hair and then I went and I, put the leave-in conditioner in and I was about to start. I began the process of the flexi rod set. So this is like 2 days old, by the way. But I really loved how they originally came out. So I definitely have to do a video about that soon. But It was just very knotted and tangled, and already a lot of hair is going to come out just because it's been like 2 months since my hair has been combed. So even a little more came out, which could have been prevented if I would have just combed my hair correctly. So y'all may already know this, but what I did, I divided my hair into 4 sections and combed it out by section. What I would suggest doing, which you probably already do, maybe it's just me, each under the lock, there was the little braids. I would suggest with braids, anything in general, when they're really small, when you take them down, to comb each individual braid one by one. And that will prevent, combing it in one big section and you might not getting everything out. So take a braid down, comb through it. Take a braid down, comb through it. And that will definitely prevent knots and tangles in the future. So I will definitely be doing that. Hope I can help somebody else out. Maybe you all are already doing it. I don't know. I don't put little braids in my hair like that that often. So I'm gonna finally end this video, y'all. If you like this video, be sure to thumbs up, be sure to comment, subscribe, and that is it.